Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you 2012 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.